Did you know that AI trading bots are capable of outperforming human traders by up to 70% in certain markets? That's correct. These tools are revolutionizing how we trade and maximize profits. But here's the big question. Are you using the right strategies to unlock their full potential? Stick around, because in today's video, we're diving deep into the best AI trading bot strategies to help you maximize your profits. Stay with us, because at the end of the video, we will give you results that will surprise you. Don't miss a single second of each of the strategies that we are going to show you. All of them are very important. Subscribe now to TechMoneyAI for smarter trading tips. Welcome back to TechMoneyAI, the channel where you learn, invest better with the power of AI. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for weekly tips on AI-powered investing and trading strategies. AI trading bots have taken the financial world by storm. From analyzing massive datasets to making lightning-fast trades, they're changing the game for both beginners and pros. Today, we're focusing on one thing: strategies. Because having a powerful tool like an AI bot is great, but knowing how to use it effectively, that's the real game changer. Let's talk about the challenges traders face. If you've ever tried trading, you know it's not easy. Market volatility. Prices can swing unpredictably, making it hard to react in real time. Emotional decisions. Fear and greed often lead to poor choices. Time constraints. Monitoring the market 24/7 is impossible for humans. This is where AI trading bots shine. They remove emotion from the equation, respond to market changes instantly, and work tirelessly around the clock. But to truly maximize their potential, you need the right strategy. That's what we're diving into next. Strategy 1. First up is algorithmic trading. This strategy relies on predefined rules to make trades automatically. It's perfect for traders who want consistent, data-driven results. Here's how it works. The bot analyzes historical data to identify patterns. It executes trades based on specific triggers, like price changes or volume spikes. It ensures trades are made with precision, eliminating human error. Tools like Trade Ideas are excellent for algorithmic trading, offering pre-built algorithms you can customize to suit your goals. Strategy 2. Next is trend following, one of the simplest yet most effective strategies. The idea is to capitalize on sustained market movements, riding the wave until it starts to turn. Here's how you can implement this. Use indicators like moving averages and RSI to spot trends. Configure your bot to enter trades when trends are confirmed. Set stop losses to protect against reversals. This strategy works particularly well in markets with strong momentum, like cryptocurrencies or volatile stocks. Strategy 3. Arbitrage. Now let's talk about arbitrage. a strategy that takes advantage of price differences between markets or exchanges. For example, your bot spots a stock priced lower on one exchange and higher on another. It buys on the lower priced exchange and sells on the higher priced one, pocketing the difference. This strategy requires speed and accuracy, which is why bots excel at it. Platforms like Pionex and Binance are great for implementing arbitrage strategies, especially in the crypto market. Let me share a quick success story. John, a beginner trader, started using a trend-following strategy with an AI bot. He configured his bot to track stocks in the tech sector, entering trades based on moving averages. Within 3 months, his portfolio grew by 15%, all while spending just 10 minutes a day monitoring the bot. This is the power of AI trading bots. When paired with the right strategy, they can deliver consistent results without the stress of manual trading. So what have we learned today? To maximize your profits with AI trading bots. Algorithmic trading. Use data-driven rules for precision and consistency. Trend following. Ride market waves for steady gains. Arbitrage. Leverage price differences for quick profits. Each strategy has its strengths, so choose one that aligns with your trading goals and market preferences. Remember, AI trading bots aren't magic. They are tools. Success depends on how well you understand and implement these strategies. Now it's your turn. Which AI trading bot strategy do you want to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to TechMoneyAI for more tips on AI-powered investing. And don't forget to check out our next video on advanced trading strategies. Together, we are making investing smarter and simpler with the power of AI.